Good afternoon. My name is PGlenn and I live in Central California. I'm a distance engineering student at the University of North Dakota who's currently studying petroleum engineering, and I'd like to take this time here to introduce myself. In order to maximize the time I have selected to do a brown bag speech. As you can see, I'm not using a brown bag. I'm using my gym bag, which I love, which is with me all the time. I'm into fitness, and if I'm not doing something active, I'm doing homework or actual work. In order to represent myself through a brown bag speech, I selected three objects that are contained within this bag. All of the objects, of all the objects that came swirling to my head to represent the different stages in my life, my past, my present, and my future, I selected my first item from my past, and that item is this. This is a bottle, but that's not important. What's important is inside the sand. Um, like I said, I live in Central California, and growing up, every good memory I have involves the beach. This sand is from the beach that I grew up. Wasted all my summers at, still my summers at, but not as much as my adolescence years. The best thing about the beach is it's free, outside of parking gas, of course, but it is free. You can surf, bonfires. Shoot, I've had so many, not so many, but I've had dates there, including the first few dates I had with my wife. When you're younger, 10 years back, I was about 19, 20 years old. You didn't have a lot of money, so places like this were very special. Quality time, do whatever you wanted, you just felt free. Really enjoy the beach, and this is the best thing that could have really summed up my past. So as I mentioned, in my adolescence years, I didn't have a lot of money, so the beach was great. Really, no kid has a lot of money, so unless your parents give you money, you're kind of stuck with what you got, what you have, and what you can do or make yourself. Fortunate enough for me, I continued to progress as I got older. I finished high school. Didn't go to college immediately, but I have been fortunate in my current career. I work in the oil fields, and that's what brings me to my present item. This is a standard tricone drill bit. This is used and abused, so it actually just sits above my office, or not my office, it sits above my desk in my office, and this means a lot to me. I actually recovered this during the first drilling campaign that I oversaw. I started in the oil field about 10 years ago, and started doing just general maintenance stuff. Got really into the whole engineering downhole side, and that's why I chose to go back to school. I did a local junior college here first to get my 2-year degree, my associates, and then I transitioned to University of North Dakota, as they are one of the only schools that has a bachelor's program in petroleum engineering. This is very important to me. This is my passion. This is what I love. This is why I'm taking these courses I am now to get farther ahead. Now looking forward, through the bag of course, but also really into my future, I had to select one other item that really represents my future. To be honest with you, it took me a little while. I kind of went blank, what am I looking for? What is my future? I don't know what it is, and that's kind of when it hit me. So this indeed is a blank piece of paper. Represents three different ideas I had, if you will. This is my future. It represents my future. It is a blank canvas. Like an artist sees a blank canvas, I see my future. It's open. I can design what I want. I can do what I want. I can be where I want to be, essentially. The second idea this represents is my degree. In my line of work, everyone calls a degree a piece of paper. It's just a piece of paper. It's just a piece of paper. Well, it's not to me. But in turn, I run out of words. This is my piece of paper. And the last thing is coming up what I call money, paper. When I get my degree, if I continue where I'm at or the path I'm on, the paper will be plentiful, if you will. So even though I kind of had a funny idea here about the three different run-ons, you could say with a blank piece of paper, it's really the open canvas. What's available to me, what I want to do. It's there, it's open, it's free, it's ready to go. So in conclusion, I had to reflect myself with just three inanimate objects, and it was quite difficult, to be honest with you. But choosing, my adolescence, just great memories came to mind, and that's where the sand came from, the beach. My current passion, outside my family life, is my work and drilling, and that bit sits in my office. And I love it. It's just a reminder of what I want to do, continue doing, explore, problem solve, and then my future looking forward was that piece of paper and open canvas, money, degree. But it's really the other way around. It's really degree, money, and then open canvas, of course. So, sum up this introduction. I had a great time determining what these objects would be, and I hope you enjoyed hearing what I had to say. Thank you for your time.